Julie? Don't run.
What?
Don't run.
Not going to run.
What are you doing, stood up?
I didn't see him go across.
I didn't see him cross. I was watching the dung beetle.
What's that? The elephant. Let me see here on Game Drive, see close towards the western entrance.
Copied.
Second drop going out. Okay.
Yeah, I know. It's okay, girl. It's okay. She's just watching us. It's okay, baby girl. Okay. Stop backing away. She's busy warning us. It's okay, girl. It's okay.
Oh yeah. Yeah, two big males. They seem a bit of a small kill for such a big pie, or for so many. Did you hear that?
Neck vertebrae.
Yeah, neck vertebrates. They've got 7, we've got 7. But yeah, so it's just a natural thing that's happening every time they raise their head or put it down, raise their head or put it down. It's 60 litres of blood. It's a massive, massive, massive amount. Able to feed on, for example, your knobthorn trees that have a variety or that have a lot of hook thorns on it. It doesn't bug them.
Hello. Oh. Cute, huh?
You see all the red-billed oxpeckers on this second male that's just joined. Count 3 on his neck. Oh, fourth one on the other side. So they form what we call a symbiotic relationship known as mutualism, which is a relationship between two living organisms. So here it's your giraffe and it's your red-billed oxpecker, and both of them are positively affected. Why? It's because the giraffe is covered in external parasites, for example ticks, which it collects as it's busy walking through the vegetation, because ticks like to stick. Oxpeckers come and they pick them out and they get a food source. Oh, spots. So this one's known as our emerald spotted wood dove.
Playing, don't they look good?
It's like a scene from Jurassic Park, isn't it?
I do quite love their call. So even though they live in really big groups like this, they will form a monogamous pair when it comes to breeding. And
Don't do me again, darling.
I can't see it.
see some on the side as well. Not just that I can't see them clearly, but I see ears moving.
No, not again.
Copy that, thank you. Can I slowly start making my way there? Are you okay, Joel?
Yeah.
Would you like to get going?
Yeah.
Alright.
I think this one. Get back up, Scarface.
Oh yeah, that's when you know.
Trying to impress you ladies.
Oh, this.
All in all, we had a great stay at Meninga Lodge. Fabulous food, fabulous hosts, cracking surroundings, full of wildlife, and a really knowledgeable young field guide. We will definitely be back.